Welcome to Notion. I am Akshay Kothari, one of the co-founders of the company. And we're really excited to have you here in our office that we moved into just a few months ago. Actually, why am I talking about it? Why don't we go check it out together?
1, 2, 3, 4.
We think of our office as an extension of our product. Similar to our product, we care a lot about the details, the craftsmanship. We're right here in the Ada Cafe, named after Ada Lovelace. Our baristas know our employees by their name. They also know their dogs. They know their preferences. It's hard to describe what exactly it is, but once you use Notion, the product, and you sort of walk the office, there's some cohesiveness, some synchronicity between the two.
The most difficult part about this build-out was building in a very old building. This building was started in 1906, was finished in 1907, and it's kind of like putting a new engine into an old car. There's been a ton of treasures. One of my favorites was definitely the Prohibition wine bottles. We were literally demoing, and our reception used to be the actual old Dawn Club, and they had hidden a few bottles. And so we find them, and the first question I got from about 50 employees in direct Slack messages was, can I have a taste?
I think my favorite part about this office is that it feels so distinctly different than every tech office I've ever seen. We want it to feel like someone's home.
We spend a lot of time caring about acoustics and light. You won't see a bulb anywhere in Notion. We have pretty much all indirect light.
So the library is quite distinct from the rest of the office. If you walk around the office, you'll always hear jazz music playing, and there's a lot of people chattering. And library is a place away from that. And we spend a lot of time really building the quietest place we can. New employees can take a book out, and they can also contribute to this library we have.
Yeah, I've learned so much about design from Ivan. He has a very specific color for the walls that all of our offices are painted. It's cream froth.
I buy cream froth by the pool for all of our offices.
Everything that is in the office, I think there's like a deliberate choice behind it, right? All the art you see is never hung up on the wall.
These pictures are not a museum. They move. We're shifting the space. We want them to be approachable, very much like your home.
Workshop, not a gallery. We are actively building and working and creating and designing.
I always say that the people at Notion are weird and warm. We have our bathroom DJ program.
It's like a 6-month waitlist to become a bathroom DJ.
I haven't done it yet. I have not got off the wait list.
No, I'm terrified.
I love being here in the office. It brings out my sort of best creative outputs. And I love just being surrounded by coworkers that I can just tap on and brainstorm together. It sort of goes back to our ethos of product design as a jazz band. I like being able to just improv with all the things going around me as opposed to planning it out like a marching band.
We are constantly chit-chatting. This is probably like the most rowdy row of the whole office. Everyone else is quiet.
What are these pointers?
What's the story?
It allows us to give more specific feedback. You can get in really close.
It's just a really humble culture. People are really only concerned about one thing here, which is making the product good and making our customers happy. And so Sesame Street characters are in every single conference room to remind us that it's not our own internal thumbs up that we're looking for. So we're really building these things for our customers, and it's their approval that we're looking for.
I look forward to being here and being around these people and building with them.
It's nice. It's a nice place to be.